Welcome again to our lovely channel. A channel of joy and delicious food preparation. Today we are going to prepare sambusa. A very delicious food that is simple to prepare. Follow step by step of how to prepare it. At the end of this video you will be able to prepare it well. Herb ingredients. For the dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoon oil or ghee, 1/2 teaspoon salt, water, about 1/2 cup, as needed. For the filling: 3 medium potatoes, boiled, peeled, mashed, 1/2 cup green peas, boiled, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 to 2 green chilies, chopped, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, optional, salt to taste, 2 tablespoon oil, fresh coriander leaves, chopped. For frying: oil for deep frying. Dumpling step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Make the dough. 1. In a bowl, combine flour and salt. 2. Add oil or ghee and rub it into the flour with your fingers until it looks like breadcrumbs. 3. Slowly add water, a little at a time, and knead to form a firm, smooth dough. 4. Cover with a damp cloth and let it rest for 30 minutes. Step 2. Prepare the filling. 1. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. 2. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. 3. Add chopped onions, green chilies, and grated ginger. Sauté until golden. 4. Add turmeric, coriander, chili powder, and garam masala. Mix well. 5. Add boiled, mashed potatoes and peas. 6. Add salt and cook for 2 to 3 minutes while mashing and mixing the filling. 7. Stir in chopped fresh coriander. 8. Let the filling cool. Step 3. Shape the samosas. 1. Divide dough into lemon-sized balls. 2. Roll each ball into an oval or circle, about 6 inches diameter. 3. Cut it in half to form 2 semicircles. 4. Take 1 semicircle, fold it into a cone shape, and seal the edge with water. 5. Fill the cone with 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling. 6. Seal the top by pinching the edges with water to form a triangular shape. Step 4. Fry the samosas. 1. Heat oil in a deep pan on medium-low heat. 2. Add a few samosas at a time, don't overcrowd. 3. Fry slowly on medium-low heat until golden brown and crisp on all sides, takes 8 to 10 minutes. 4. Drain on paper towels. Step 5. Serve. Serve hot with mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or ketchup.